Hi there, thank you for the many likes and watching us again on CLD Programming YouTube channel. Today we will create a small game called Guess the Number. Please don't forget to follow and subscribe on us on YouTube, Facebook and Twitter. The small game creates a number, a random number with an integer starting from the value from 1 to 100, and the user must guess the number. Okay, we're gonna start Visual Studio. Control application, number guess. Okay, so we're gonna use a loop. So this is an endless loop. So we need a random value, and we will create that with a static integer. So static, why static? Because the whole program it will be a static number that stays the same. Static integer new num integer minimum integer maximum. So we have created a static function with an integer. We get the error, the function doesn't return a value. So random again, new random number. Okay, return random next minimum value, maximum value. Okay, so we have a return in it. Program, you call up the program with new num, minimum value, maximum value integer. The program makes a random number and returns it with the minimum and maximum value. So we will use the function integer and br number new num, and we give up the minimum value and the maximum value. Okay, we have to count how many times the user guesses the number. Integer count 1. Do a while loop through the program, so while true. And now as the user console write enters a number between 1 and 100. 0 to exit. Okay. We get the value the user input, so integer input convert to integer 32, console read line, then we have to response on the input. So if input has S0, user want to exit, we put return else if input smaller than on BR, console write line low, we get a low value, so try again. Plus count, continue, else if input is greater than on BR, console write line value too high, try again. Count again, continue, okay, then else console write line if the user guessed the numbers, you guessed it, the number was the value and BR. Okay. Then we have to use the value how many times it took the user. Console write line. It took you count, select on 1, try tries. Okay, and then break. Start. So enter a number between 1 and 100. Let us say 20. Value is too low. Let us say 50. Too high. So it's between 20 and 50. We say 40. 40, I guessed. Number was 40. It took you 3 tries. Okay. Enter a number between 1 and 100. 80. 40. 50. 60. Between 60 and 50. 55. 54. 53. 52, 51, 50. Yeah, okay, perfect. Here to exit. Okay, perfect. This is the first time we use a function, an integer function with 2 values. So the program works. Any questions? Ask them on our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. Goodbye. Every month we hold a contest. The winner of that month will be shown in one of our lessons. You can win the contest just to subscribe on us and to like us on YouTube and Facebook. You can win a $25 that you can use on Amazon.com. Don't forget it.